Good morning students. Welcome back to Maths online class, grade 9. Today we are going to see the continuation of the first chapter, set language. Dear children, take your first chapter note and write it down. In last class, we learned some formulas, isn't it? Can you remember the formulas? Suppose A and B are the two set, means then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, isn't it? Suppose if A and B, A, B and C are the three finite sets. Finite set means then, which is the formula, n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B, then minus n of A B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C, isn't it? Then these all formulas you study well. These are important formulas, then only you can do the problems. Now we are going to see the last class homework sum. Then take your homework and check the answers. Okay. Take the ninth sum. In a colony, 275 families by Tamil newspaper, 150 families by English newspaper, 45 families by Hindi newspaper, 125 families by Tamil and English newspapers, then 17 families by English and Hindi newspapers, then 5 families by Tamil and Hindi newspapers, and 3 families by all the 3 newspapers. Okay, here then Tamil, English and Hindi newspapers given. Okay, how many of them using? How many of them by these 3 newspapers? Okay, that Tamil means we have to take a T, and then English E you should take it Heights. Heights means a Hindi newspaper. With the set of families who buy Tamil, English and Hindi newspapers respectively. Okay, here n of T, number of buying Tamil newspaper is 275. Then n of number of English newspapers, how many of them buying. Okay, every details here given. Then how to use the Venn diagram. Okay, this one Venn diagram. From the Venn diagram, 3 questions they asked. The number of families buy only one newspaper. Only one newspaper means then only Tamil. Only Tamil means this area only it will come. Okay, only Tamil, only English, only Hindi. Okay, newspaper, how many of them buying? Okay, 3 also added and I did. Okay, then number of families buy at least 2 newspapers. At least 2 newspaper means then 2 newspaper and then 3 also. Okay, then at least 2 newspapers. Okay, that means then what are the things we have to add here? How many of them buying 2 newspaper? Then and 3 also. Okay, and here 122. And then here this 2 and 14, and this 3 also added. Okay, 3 also added. Then number of families buy at least 2 newspapers, total 141 you will get. Check your answers. Then third one, total number of families in the colony. Then all families you should add it. Okay, how many of them buying the newspapers? Then everything here rounded values, everything you should add it. Then you will get the answer. Did you check the answer? Now we are going to see example 1.34. This sum. In a group of 100 students, 85 students speak Tamil, 40 students speak English, 20 students speak French, 32 speak Tamil and English, 13 speak English and French, and 10 speak Tamil and French. If each student knows at least any one of this language, then find the number of students who speak all these three languages. Our question is, find the number of students who speak all these three languages. All the three languages means then Tamil, then English and French. Okay, both intersection. Then these three intersection we have to find. Okay, so in this model we have to directly use the formula. Formula method easy for you. Okay, which formula we can use here? N of A union B union C is equal to one formula, you know, isn't it? Here three languages given, so we have to take Tamil, we have to take A, English B, then French C we have to take. Okay, then only formula, suppose if you are using the formula, easy for you, otherwise you will confuse. Okay, so like that I am taking here. Let A, B and C represent the set of students who speak Tamil. Tamil means A. Then English B I2. Then French C I2. Okay. Then from this question we have to write what? In a group of 100 students. Okay. A group of 100 students. So what is given? First we have to write total group of students, total number of students, how much? 100, isn't it? So here number of A union B union C is equal to 100, here given. Then like that 85 students speak Tamil, isn't it? Then here N of A also given. N of A, Tamil means then we took what? How many of them speak in Tamil? Then 85, isn't it? 85. Okay. The next one, 40 students speak English. That means N of B. N of B is equal to 40. The next one, 32 speak, 20 speak French, isn't it? French we took N of C, isn't it? So N of C is equal to what? 20. Understood? Then Tamil and English, how many of them speaking? Then 32 speak Tamil and English. 32 speak Tamil and English. That means N of A intersection B, and means intersection. N of A intersection A and B is equal to 32. Then afterwards 13 speak English and French. Okay. Then 13 speak English and French. That means N of B intersection C is equal to 13. Then next one, N of A intersection C is equal to what? Then 10 speak Tamil and French. Tamil means A, French means C, isn't it? Then how many of them? 10 of them. Have you understood? Then here these are the details given, isn't it? Then we know the formula, isn't it? Which formula we know? From here we have to find, our question is, find the number of students who speak all these three languages. All the three languages. That means N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to, we don't know. That one question mark. Okay. This one only we want to find. We know with one formula, isn't it? We know that, which formula we know here? 3 sets given, isn't it? 3 sets given means then which formula we know? Then N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus N of B, say everyone, plus N of C, then minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C, then minus N of A intersection C, then plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Very good. Then here n of A union B, n of A union B union C we know, isn't it? What's the value? Here 100, isn't it? That 100 we have to write here. 100 is equal to write it. Okay. Then next one, n of A. N of A, what is given here? N of A is 85. Then this plus. N of B is 40. That 40 you should write it. Then this plus. N of C is 20. Minus n of A intersection B is 32. Then minus this n of B intersection C is 13. This minus n of A intersection C is 10. Then plus this one we don't know, isn't it? Then n of A intersection B intersection C. This value we have to find. Okay. So here this 100 we have to write here 100 and equal to this 3 values shall we add. Here 85. 85 plus 20 is what? 105, isn't it? Then 105 plus 105 plus 40 is 145. 145. Then here negative value. Here minus 32, minus 13, minus 10. Minus common we have to take. Okay. Then 3 values also we have to add. And the common sign is what? Minus. Okay. Then 32 plus 10 is 42. 42 plus 10 is 52. 2 plus 3 is 55. Isn't it? 55. Then plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Then shall we subtract this two? This 100 is equal to 145 minus 55 is 90. Plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Then here 100. Shall we bring this 90 here? Then 100 minus left hand side you bring. Okay. Minus 90 is equal to what? N of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. This two subtract means what's the value it will come? 10. 10 is equal to n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Therefore, both sides interchange this two values. Okay. The sign it won't change. Okay. So, you can write what? N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to what? Therefore, N of is equal to 10. Okay. Did you get the answer? Here our question is what? The number of students who speak at least all these 3 languages, isn't it? All the 3 languages. So, how we can write the answer? Therefore, 10 students. How many students we got? Then 10 students speak. 10 students speak all the 3 languages. All the 3 languages. Have you understood in this problem? Formula method use it. This is only for you. Very easy. Okay. Have you understood? Any doubt? Next we are going to see example 1.35. A survey was conducted among 200 magazine subscribers of 3 different magazines A, B, C. Was found that 75 members do not subscribe magazine A. Okay, 75 members do not subscribe magazine A. Then 100 members do not subscribe magazine B. 50 members do not subscribe magazine C. And 125 subscribe at least 2 of the 3 magazines. Okay. Then find the number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine. Okay. Our first question is the number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine. Then second one, the number of members who subscribe only one magazine. In this question, total number of subscribers, what is given? 200, isn't it? Then do not subscribe, then A, how much? 75, isn't it? Do not subscribe, then B, 100. Do not subscribe, C, or 50, like that given, isn't it? Then number of members who subscribe at least 2 magazine. At least 2 magazine also here given 125, isn't it? So first we have to write solution. Total number of subscribers 200, isn't it? Then magazine aim. Then do not subscribe. How many of them? 75, isn't it? 75. From here, how many of them subscribe we have to find. Okay. How many of them subscribe we have to find. Our question is then find the number of members who subscribe. So who subscribe only here given, isn't it? Question is what? Who subscribe only one magazine. Okay. So we need what? Subscribe. How many of them subscribed? Okay. That one we have to find. Do not subscribe only here given. Okay. Total number of subscribers, how much? Here 200, isn't it? From here we have to subtract. Then 200 minus 75 is equal to 125. Okay. Then next one, B means 200 minus this 100. Subtract means then we will get what? 100. Okay. Then total 200 minus, from there do not subscribers, then 50, isn't it? This one subtract means then we will get what? Subscribe, how many of them? Okay, 150. All understood? Then we have to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, with the help of Venn diagram we have to do this one. Okay, then so this one only A portion we have to take A. Okay, this portion only B. Then B we have to take. This one C we have to take. Okay. Then number of members who then only one means A plus B plus C. Have you understood? From the Venn diagram we can write. Then afterwards then A and B. A and B means this area. Then X we have to take. X. Then B and C means this one Y. I am taking Y. Then A and C I am taking X, Y, Z. Okay. Then 3 of them, how many of them subscribe? That one we don't know. That is R we have to take. R any letter we can take. Yes also we can take. No problem. Okay. According to that we have to find. From the Venn diagram, the number of members who subscribe only one magazine. That one you want to find. Okay, only one magazine. That means A plus B plus C. That one we don't know. A plus B plus C. Okay, the number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine. Exactly. Then correct this word 2 magazine. Then exactly 2 magazine. How many of the X, Y, Z. Okay, that means X plus Y plus Z. Have you understood? Then one more here given the number of members who subscribe at least 2 magazine. That is given, isn't it? 125. Okay, at least 2 magazine. That means what? At least means what? At least 2 magazine. 2 and above 2. That means 3 also it will come. Isn't it? Just last class also we learned. Okay. Then that means X plus Y plus Z. Then plus this R also it will come. is equal to what? This 125. Have you understood? This is equation number 1. You can take. This is 1. Okay. Then here one by one, what is given from the diagram here? What is given? We have to write. Okay. Given what? Given n of A union B union C is equal to total how much? 200. Okay. Next one, n of A. N of A means here how many of them subscribe? Okay, 125. N of A is equal to 125. Then n of B is equal to what? 100. Then n of C is equal to 150. Okay. Then next one, n of A intersection B, isn't it? N of A intersection B also we have to find. N of A intersection B means this area. Okay. You see here X plus R. Okay. A intersection B means this X plus R it will come. Okay. Then X plus R. Then n of B intersection C is B intersection C, Y plus R. Very good. Y plus R. Then n of A intersection C is what? Z plus R. Isn't it? Z plus R. These are the things here given, isn't it? Then one more also given now. Then n of A intersection B intersection C is equal to what? 3 also intersection R. Okay, this much is given. We know which formula? We know one formula, isn't it? We know formula. Say the formula. N of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B, then plus n of C, then minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. This formula you know, isn't it? Here all values we have to substitute. N of A union B union C, you know, isn't it? 200. 200 is equal to n of A is 125. Okay, plus n of B is 100 plus n of C is 150 minus n of A intersection B, isn't it? N of A intersection B. Then that means minus of X plus R. That means what? Minus X minus R. Have you understood? Then both also minus it will come. Here minus of X plus R. That means minus X minus R. Then here minus what? A B intersection C. B intersection C means minus of Y plus R. That means minus Y minus R. Both also minus it will come. Okay, minus into Y, then here also minus R it will come. Okay, then next one minus here n of A intersection C. That means minus of AZ plus R. That means minus Z minus R. Then plus this R. Have you understood? This minus R, this plus R we can cancel. Okay, remaining is same. Here 200 is equal to, then everything add it. Okay, 100, here 225, 325, then 375, isn't it? 375, then minus this value we have together we can write, isn't it? What are the things we can write here? Minus X minus Y minus Z, then minus R minus R, isn't it? Then equal to, here 200 is equal to 375. This minus common shall we take outside? Okay. Then from here minus common we can take outside. Okay, remaining is same. Then x plus y plus z, then plus r. This r separately we have to write. Y means, then if we take like this value 125 we can substitute here. Okay, so we took like this. Okay, minus common you should take outside. If you minus multiply inside means then we will get this term. Okay, minus common you take outside, then x plus y plus z plus r we will get. Okay, then equal to 200 is equal to 375 minus, already from 1 we can write what? 125 we can substitute here, minus r. Have you understood this term? Side you write it, since x plus y plus z plus r is equal to, here what is given? 125. This value only we substituted here. Okay, then 375 minus 125, what's the value? 250, isn't it? So we can write what? Here 200 is equal to 375 minus 125 is 250, isn't it? 250 minus this r. Okay, minus r. Then this 200 you should bring the left hand side. This r you should bring the right hand side, left hand side. Okay, then here this r we have to bring the left hand side. Then we will get what? Plus r. Okay, minus r becomes what? Plus r. Then equal to 250. Then this 200 we have to bring the right hand side. Then sign it will change, minus 200. Then equal to what? 250 minus 200 is 50. Okay, r is equal to what? 50. Okay, then I have to put the mark. R equal to 50 we got. Then from first equation we can find what number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine we need. Okay, x plus y plus z we need. So this r value we can substitute here. Okay, in the first equation we have to substitute. Okay, then from 1 then we will get what is there? X plus y plus z plus, then r place we have to substitute, what's the value? 50, then equal to 125. Understood? Then therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 125. This 50 we have to bring the right hand side, sign it will change, 50, then equal to what? 125 minus 50 is 75. Okay, that means x plus y plus z is equal to 75. This answer we got. Okay, that means what? Then already we took, isn't it? Number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine we want to find, isn't it? So this answer we got. Okay, therefore I don't see right answer. The number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine. Exactly to magazines. Exactly to magazine is what we got? 75, isn't it? First question we got the answer. The number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine. What's the answer? 75. Then one more question also, isn't it? Number of members who subscribe only one magazine. Only one magazine means that is A plus B plus C also we want to find. Okay, A plus B plus C. Okay, then from Venn diagram what we can write? From Venn diagram, what we can write? Here total, you say, from Venn diagram, here A plus B plus C, okay, plus X plus Y plus Z plus R is equal to total how much? 200. Okay, total 200. So, shall we write here? A plus B plus C, then X plus Y plus Z plus R. Okay, then this one separately we have to write. Then equal to together what? 200. This is 2. Shall we take? Then here A plus B plus C only we need, isn't it? Then already we have X plus Y plus Z plus R value we have, isn't it? Already we have X plus Y plus Z plus R is equal to 125, isn't it? That value we have to substitute here. 125 is equal to what? 200. Have you understood? Then A plus B plus C is equal to what? 200. This 125 we have to bring the right hand side, sign it will change 125. Okay, then 200 minus 125 is 75. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to what's the answer? 75. Have you understood? Then second question also, answer also we got. Okay, the number of members who subscribe only one magazine. Only one magazine. How many of them? A plus B plus C is equal to only one magazine. So how many of them subscribe? Then 75%. Okay, 75 members. Therefore, right answers. Therefore, number of members who subscribe only one magazine. Only one magazine is equal to 75. Have you understood? Any doubt? First, do not subscribe given. Then we have to find subscribers, how many of them. And then afterwards, only one magazine, A plus B plus C, you should take it. And then two magazine, how many of them using, how many of them, then exactly 2, X plus Y plus Z. Okay, number of members who subscribe at least 2, that means 3 also, and 2 plus then 3 also it will come. Okay, that is given. Then what is given according to that, right? We have to use this formula. All values substitute. First you should find out R value. Then R value substitute equation number 1. Have you understood? Then that means then first question answer we will get. Okay. Then afterwards this one we have to substitute with the help of Venn diagram. All values substitute. Then we will get what? Only one magazine, how many of them subscribed. Have you understood? Any doubt? Next I am going to teach one small question. Exercise 1.6, seventh sum. A and B are two sets such that n of A minus B is equal to 32 plus x, n of B minus A is equal to 5x, and n of A intersection B is equal to x. Illustrate the information by means of a Venn diagram. Then given that n of A is equal to n of B. What is given? n of A is equal to n of B. Calculate the value of x. Calculate the value of x. Okay. Information by means of Venn diagram. So we have to draw the Venn diagram here. Okay. Then Venn diagram here A and B is given, isn't it? So we have to first set is A, second one is B. Okay, then again what is given? N of B, A minus B given, isn't it? N of A minus B. N of A minus B means here that means except B, then remaining A, isn't it? Only A, that's the meaning. Okay, only A portion. Only A portion we have to write this one 32 plus x. 32 plus x. Okay. Then n of B minus A. That means what? Except this A. Then only B. Okay. Only B. What is given? 5x. So we have to write this area 5x. Then n of A intersection B. A and B common place. We have to substitute what? X. This much here given. Okay. Given. Then again what is given? N of A is equal to n of B, isn't it? Then given that n of A is equal to what? N of B, isn't it? Here this is given. Here n of B, here from the Venn diagram n of B A is equal to what? N of A. N of A means this one fully it will come, isn't it? Then n of A. N of A means here A portion fully it will come. Have you understood? Then shall we write 32 plus x plus this x also. And equal to n of B. N of B means this much fully. Then n of B. Have you understood? That means 5x plus x. 5x plus this x also. Have you understood? Then 32, x plus x is 2x. Then equal to 5x plus x is 6x. Okay. 5x plus 1x. That means what? 6x. X is common. Okay. Then here this 2x and this one shall we bring one side? Here 32 is equal to 6x. Then x term. Like values, then we have to bring right hand side. Okay, minus 2x, 6x, and then minus 2x. Sign it will change, isn't it? And equal to this one what? 6x minus 2x is 4x. 4x it will come. Here this 32. Okay, therefore interchange. Both also interchange. Then we will get what? 4x is equal to what? 32. Therefore, x equal to 32. This 4 it will come denominator. Okay. 4 it will come denominator. 1 4 is 4. How many 4s are in 32? Then 8 times. Isn't it? 8 4s are 32. Isn't it? Therefore, x equal to, what's the value it will come? X equal to 8. Any doubt? X equal to 8. Did you get the answer? Here calculate the value of x. Isn't it? X value we got. Therefore, x equal to 8. Have you understood? Very simple. Next, 2 questions I am giving homework. Going to give the homework. Then exercise 1.6, 5th sum and 10th sum. Okay. Then 5th sum is example 1.31 model. Okay. Example 1.31 model. Okay. Here in a party of 45 people. Okay. 45 people. Then each one like a tea or coffee or both. 35 like a tea and 20 people like coffee. Okay, find the number of people who like both tea and coffee. Okay, here what is given here? Both here we don't know, isn't it? So with the help of Venn diagram you should do. Okay, this one we don't know. Both T, how many of them using capital T you should take it. Then C, coffee you should take it. Okay, then both X you should take. Then afterwards here what is given, 35 people like T. T means here fully it will come 35. Okay, only T means then 35 minus this X, minus X. Understood? Then like that here 20 people like coffee, isn't it? That 20 you should write here, 20. Then only coffee means, then only coffee, that means minus X. Okay, then with the help of Venn diagram you should find. Okay, here 35 minus X plus 20 minus X is equal to what? 45, total 45. Then from there X value find the X value. Then first question is like both tea and coffee. Then X, what's the value you will get? That's the answer. Okay. Second one, do not like tea. Do not like tea means then except this tea portions, then remaining it will come. That means only coffee. Okay. 20 minus X. 20 minus X value substitute there, then you will get the answer. Then the third one, do not like coffee. Do not like coffee means then except this coffee area, then remaining 35 minus X. That means 35 minus X value should substitute here and you will get the answer. Okay, should do the homework, this 5th sum and then 10th sum also, then one example model only. Okay, then example 1.34 model. Okay, example 1.34. Okay, so daily homework, daily you should complete it. Okay, and then if you have any doubts, you can call me in the doubt clearing session. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.